The carnivore diet focuses on animal-based foods, but that doesn't mean you have to skip dessert. Carnivore desserts are simple, often requiring minimal ingredients and preparation time. They satisfy sweet cravings while keeping you aligned with your dietary goals. When crafting carnivore desserts, focus on animal-based ingredients. Eggs, heavy cream, and butter are staples. Sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit can be used sparingly. Gelatin is another versatile ingredient, perfect for creating texture in desserts like panna cotta or mousse. Looking for inspiration? Try a creamy egg custard made with egg yolks and heavy cream. Or indulge in a rich chocolate mousse using cocoa powder and whipped cream. Cheesecake bites, made with cream cheese and eggs, are another favorite. Don't forget about bone broth gummies for a unique treat. Lastly, a simple whipped cream with a hint of vanilla can be a delightful finish. Avoid using high-carb ingredients like sugar or flour. Overcomplicating recipes can also lead to frustration. Stick to simple, tried-and-true recipes to ensure success. Remember, balance is key. Can you use sweeteners? Yes, but sparingly. Are fruits allowed? Generally no, as they contain carbs. Can you eat dairy? Yes, if tolerated, it can enhance flavors. Carnivore desserts can be delicious and satisfying with the right ingredients and techniques. Keep it simple. Focus on quality ingredients and enjoy the process of creating these unique treats.